I'm taking Pauly Shore to lunch. I'm going to pick him up right now, and then we're going to lunch.
What do we do?
We're gonna go eat.
This is exciting.
Let's get in and go.
I'm gonna get the meat too.
So, what do you think about North Carolina barbecue, Pauly?
More importantly, Asheville barbecue.
Okay. What do you, on a scale of 1 to 10?
11.
11. Pauly Shore, 11. Frank. What do you score it?
Fucking phenomenal.
It's really good.
It's a thumbs up from the Weasel.
Cool, buddies. Go, man. Yo, what's up, Asheville? Pauly Shore here with Owen Jason, aka Kid Rock. Jesky Shore. Tonight we're at the Silverado Casino, right?
No, it's just a bar.
Well, it's just, it's a
We'll
bar.
call it a casino.
It's a bar casino, and we got one show tonight, and it's at 7 o'clock. So come on down. I'm in town, and I'm going to. I don't know where I'm going to stay. I'm gonna go in the dumpster in the back and just hang out, and then I'll see you guys tonight. Later. Well, this is it, guys. Our last show.
Here we go.
This is it. Here we go. What? That's the VIP room. Oh, so good. She's totally clean. It's called Lisa, the one I adore.
Awesome. So that's the free one. We have the rest for sale. Thank you.
This would make 12-year-old me the happiest kid in the world. If I knew 12-year-old me was talking to 41-year-old me and was like, hey, you'll be eating lunch with Pauly Shore at 41, I would be like, okay, game over.
Only crusty dude with the mom on top. My melon's really sweet, but I'll never stop. Stop trying to reach the nugs from coast to coast. The ones with the cones are the ones I dig the most. Lisa Lee.